is to give the people the motorcycle design they want exactly how they envision it. And with the G6 Mark I model, our very first of 4 prototypes that's lined up for mass production by 2022, it sets the tone as our benchmark for the future of Lycan motorcycles. Discussing ideas with our customers, we created a motorcycle that symbolizes personalization and uniqueness across many aspects. This G6 prototype currently houses a 250cc engine, but we are looking at making it available in 300, 350, 500, and 650cc engine displacements. So that is one of Lycan's missions of having specific models available at different displacements that best suits the riding preferences of its rider.
Each of our base prototypes start with the rider in mind. It goes through an extensive process of ideation, design, visualization, and coordination, and matching of look and parts to give each motorcycle its uniqueness for every rider.
The G-Series models started where every motorcycle usually starts, inside a garage full of talented and creative motorcycle builders. We have come a long way from our G1 model and up to this point with our G6. So we test, work, and learn new ideas along the way, collaborating diligently with clients until we are able to combine all of those ideas and learning and put it all together into our next models. We draw inspiration from the creative minds of our customers because that is where a dream basically starts, and our customers are the ones who will ride our motorcycles.
Our company Lycan now looks at how we can turn something good into something great and make it even greater, that the motorcycle riders can love and appreciate.
But one thing that would make our motorcycle stand out is through the application of modern technologies that allows our customers to enjoy the convenience and flexibility of owning a Lycan motorcycle.
Basically, we're taking personalization and technology on another level. With the upcoming Lycan models, we're bringing uniqueness to all riders. Because we can, and we know that it's what the riders want.
Since the G6 we have now is a Mark I prototype, we are looking into collaborating more with the market to make this even better until a final model version is completed that is ready for the market. When people ride a Lycan motorcycle, we want our riders to feel and proudly say that this is my vision coming to life, that I was part of the design process. This is the level of involvement and freedom we want with our customers, bringing them with us at every stage of the production process, because this is how motorcycles are meant to be, a collaboration between rider and maker. And the G6 starts this new era of motorcycle riding. So basically, we are just getting started.
Kilala tayong mga Pilipino sa pagiging malikhain at maparaan. Kaya naman, mas pinipili ng malalaking industry sa buong mundo ang mga Pinoy workers dahil sa sipag at abilidad nating mga Pilipino. At bago matapos ang taong ito, ay isang malaking pagbabago ang balak imarka ng mga Pinoy pagdating sa motorcycle industry. Ito ang pagpasok ng Lycan motorcycle sa ating bansa na 100% Pinoy made.